right, this is just a short little tutorial on how to create curved text in the Silhouette Cameo program. So I'm going to create a home over the top of this house, and I want it to be curved, and then sweet home will be down here. So I've already measured out my piece of wood. I'm doing string art, so I've already measured it out and I know where I want the words to be. And so what I'm going to do is start off by creating my text. So I'm going to go over here to this this little letter here shows that we're working in text. And I'm going to go ahead and type out home in all caps. Then I'm going to select it. And I want to increase it to 144. And I don't really like this particular Lucida Grand font, so I'm going to change it to Impact here. So once I've done that, notice how when you double click on it, you get this little plus sign here. So what I'm going to do here in a few minutes is use that plus sign to move it over a circle. So let me just show you. So we want to make a circle, and I use the shift key while I'm creating the circle so that it's equal in size all the way around. So I'm holding down the shift key, and I want this circle to be about 11 inches. So I'm still holding that shift key and then let go of the mouse. And so now both sides are equal. And I'm going to just move it over. Now you want to turn off the circle so it won't create another circle. Okay, so I feel like I have it centered. I'm going to pull it down just a little so I'll have room for my first letters or my first word. So double click on it again to get this little X to show up. Click on it and drag it over to the circle and get it where you want it. And then make sure that little mark touches the circle. So once you drag it down to the circle, it groups with that circle and creates that curve. But now what we have is this word home and this circle are one group. See how it moves together. And we don't want the circle. I don't want the circle on my design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these items and then go up here to the ungroup, and it will ungroup everything. And then I can take this circle and delete it because we don't need it for this part. But I want to use the circle for the next part, which is sweet home. So I'm gonna do the opposite here on this one. Let's type out sweet home. So I want to do it in all caps. We're gonna again select it and make the size a little bit, let's see. We'll go with the 144 and see if we can make this work. And then we're going to change the font. I'm going to select it again and change it to the Impact. Okay, so we've got Sweet Home. Now I want to double click it so we can get this little cross sign here. And on this one, I want it to be curved like this. So we're going to put it inside the circle. So just click on it and drag it. And kind of center it. Now, the words or the letters are very close. And I don't really like that. So what I'm going to do is select all of them. And then go up to my font again. And you have character spacing right here. So I'm going to increase that just a little bit. And as you click each time, you'll see how it spaces the letters apart. We don't want them touching each other. I think that'll work. But now, it's not centered. So I'm going to double click on the word again and move this over. And you can tell by your graph, your little grid here, you know, if it's even. Still a little bit off. So see, this line here looks like it's even now. But again, now we have to get rid of this circle. So we're going to select it again and go back to ungroup and then just get the circle and delete it. So now I have my curved text, and that's how you do it. Or that's how I do it, I should say. Thanks so much for watching my video on how to create curved text using the Silhouette Studio software. I hope you'll come back, hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.